Double head seamless welding machine. Used for welding colorful and white UPVC profile window door. 90-degree and V welding. 2 models. Standard welding for white profile and seamless welding for colorful profile. Film laminated, co-extrusion, painting profiles, etc. For seamless welding model, it can clean the top and bottom welding slag while welding with 8 pieces blades. The welding height is 140 millimeters and can be customized till to 180 millimeters. It adopts 30 millimeter diameter linear bearing guide rail, Delta PLC, solid clamping plate, and linear sliding location plate. High precision, stable and strong.